The midpoint of A, -2, 3, and another point B is M, which is at 1, -1. We want to find the coordinates of B. Now, one way we could do this is to use the midpoint formula. M is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And let's call A x1, y1, and the point B, let's call that xy. And in the formula, let's refer to that as x2 and y2. We know M here. M is 1, -1. So 1, -1 is going to be equal to x1 is -2, so -2 plus x divided by 2, and then y1, which is 3, plus y2, which is y, divided by 2. The x-coordinate here must be equal to the x-coordinate here. So 1 is going to be -2 plus x divided by 2. And we can solve this equation. If we multiply both sides by 2, we get 2 is equal to -2 plus x. And then add 2 to both sides gives me that x is equal to 4. The y-coordinates must also be equal. Therefore, -1 is equal to 3 plus y divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, and we get -2 is equal to 3 plus y. And then subtract 3 from each side gives me that y is -5. Another way we could do that is this. Let's start off with A here at -2, 3. We know the midpoint is at 1, -1. So B must be a point over here. Now let's think about going from A to M. Going from an x-coordinate of -2 to an x-coordinate of 1 must mean we've gone across by 3. Going from a y-coordinate of 3 to a y-coordinate of -1 means we go down by 4. If M is the midpoint, to go from M to B, we need to do the same again. So go across by 3 and down by 4. If we have an x-coordinate of 1 and we go 3 across to the right, that means we're now at 4. If we have a y-coordinate of -1 and we go downwards by 4, we now are at -5. So you can see that we get the same values.